of empty?
Full.
What is the opposite of stop?
Go.
What is the opposite of up?
Down.
What is the opposite of hot?
Cold.
What is the opposite of front?
Back.
What is the opposite of happy?
Sad.
What is the opposite of big?
Small.
What is the opposite of day?
Day.
Night. What is the opposite of tall?
Little.
Shirt. What is the opposite of left?
Right.
Good job!